This video will show you how to turn a single sink into a single sink times 2. First, you will need to decide which tank will be your gray water tank and which tank will be your freshwater tank. In this example, this will be my gray water tank. When applying your basin to the gray water tank, the hose should feed right into the tank. It should not come out of the back hole. Next, when applying your basin to your designated freshwater tank, the hose will come out of the back hole. Next, these are the parts that come in our single sink times 2 kit. These will be the parts needed for assembly. In the next step, lay both sinks right beside each other. Then, undo the hose feeding from the bottom of the tank into the foot pump. Use your fingers to push down on the foot pump and the hose should release. Then, take the T-connector and connect it to the hose on the freshwater tank. Then, take the extra hose that comes in the kit and connect it to the other side of the T-connector, and then connect it to the foot pump of the gray water tank. Then, take the other extra hose given to you in the kit and connect it to the foot pump of the freshwater tank. Then, connect it to the bottom of the T-connector. Next, grab the plug from the kit and connect it to the hose coming out of the gray water tank. These are what your hoses should look like when done connecting them all. Next, grab the bottom platform provided in your kit and fit the sinks onto this platform. While doing this, make sure that the hose coming out of the back of the freshwater tank is placed into the gray water tank. When the 2 sinks are in place, grab the 2 black connector pieces and put them on like so. Then, take 2 of the screws provided in your kit and screw the pieces in. Then, do the same thing to the other side. Now that you have this done, go to the top of your sinks. With the other black connector piece, find the 3 holes on the connector piece. Use these 3 holes to line up on the sinks and take a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill out 3 1/4 inch holes on both sides. Once the holes are drilled out, place the divider in the middle of the 2 sinks and take the 1/4 inch bolts with lock nuts and tighten down the 2 sinks to the divider. This is what it should look like when it is finished. And now your single sink times 2 is complete.